Okay guys, today's complaint is a noisy and not folding mirror motor on Mazda CX3. So we'll replace the mirror motor, which is the cheapest fix. And here is a sample of the noise. This video applies to Mazda CX5 facelift 2015 model year onwards. As you can see, the mirror is the same as on Mazda CX3. A replacement of the mirror motor is also necessary even if the mirror retracts or unfolds only partly. So let's start with removal of the door trim. See my other video, link in the description, for door trim removal on Mazda CX5 and 6. Replacement parts are available based on VIN at the Mazda dealership. Be patient if you remove the main switch for the first time on your car. It usually sits hard and you may have a pretty hard time removing it. Pull the door handle first, then insert the tool. It will be easier working with both hands. Apply the duct tape to protect the paint, insert the tool and pull the door trim. You will probably damage some door trim clips, so it would be good to have spare prepared in advance. You can remove the top of the door trim either upwards or inwards, but I prefer upwards, for it is more prone to damage if you pull it. Then slide out the plastic slat and replace it on the door. Remove broken plastic clips and attach new ones to the door trim. For better access to the mirror's wiring, roll up the window and remove the speaker so you can reach to the wiring with your hand through its hull. Undo 3 of the mirror bolts, and the only thing holding the mirror to the door is this wide hook. So press it and remove the mirror. Warm up the mirror glass to 60 degrees of Celsius and keep it under that temperature for 10 minutes. The purpose is to make hooks softer or less prone to cracking during removal. Insert your hands until you reach the mounting points of the mirror glass with your fingers and pull it. Disconnect wiring for mirror heater and RVM or BSM warning light. Insert paper clips between hooks and remove the top garnish. Those plastic covers come with a new repair kit, so do not worry about damaging them. The mirror base is oxidated, therefore difficult to remove. Make sure to clean it with a wire brush, so it will be possible to mount it to the new mirror motor. Clean the corrosion inside the mounting points with a screwdriver and spray it with grease to prevent further oxidation. This sponge-like isolation is mounted later on the mirror's wiring. You will notice it in two places, and it comes with the repair kit. Now, those three wires go to another side of the mirror housing and will be later connected to the mirror's heater and RVM warning light. It will be better to connect the mirror glass at the very end so that it will be more comfortable to work. So don't do it now, leave it for later. Here you should apply sponge-like isolation on the wiring unless the old one is in good condition. When the mirror is ready, please attach it to the door. And do not forget to place the wiring around the window guide. And here is another place for applying the isolation. Now warm up the mirror as we've done previously and mount it by pushing first in the center point and then on the sides.